Hello, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the world of Asus and explore their latest offering, the Asus Zenbook Duo 2024. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my latest tech reviews. So, let's start the video. Asus has always been a pioneer in the laptop industry, and their latest offering, the Zenbook Duo 2024, is no exception. This laptop is a powerhouse of features packed into a sleek and stylish design. Let's dive into the details. The Zenbook Duo 2024 comes with a 14-inch 3K OLED primary display that boasts a refresh rate of 120 Hz. This high refresh rate ensures smooth visuals, making it perfect for gaming and video editing. The secondary display is a 14-inch FHD OLED with a refresh rate of 60 Hz. This dual display setup is perfect for multitasking and enhances productivity. Under the hood, the Zenbook Duo 2024 is powered by the Intel Core Ultra 9 processor 185H running at 2.3 GHz. There are also options for the Intel Core Ultra 7 processor 155H at 1.4 GHz and the Intel Core Ultra 5 processor 125H at 1.2 GHz. These processors ensure that the laptop can handle heavy tasks with ease. The laptop is equipped with the new Intel Arc graphics, which ensures smooth and vibrant visuals. Whether you're gaming or editing videos, the graphics card will provide a seamless experience. The Zenbook Duo 2024 offers 32GB LPDDR5X onboard memory. There's also a 16GB LPDDR5X variant. For storage, you have options between 1TB, 2TB, and 512GB M.2 NVMe PCIe 4 SSD. This ample storage and memory ensure that the laptop can handle multiple tasks simultaneously without any lag. The laptop houses a 75 Wh battery, providing up to 8 hours of usage. This ensures that you can work or play on your laptop without worrying about the battery draining quickly. In terms of connectivity, the Zenbook Duo 2024 includes 1x USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A, 2x Thunderbolt 4, 1x HDMI 2.1 TMDS, and 1x 3.5mm combo audio jack. It also supports Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring that you stay connected wherever you are. The Asus Zenbook Duo 2024 is a powerhouse of features packed into a sleek and stylish design. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or a professional, this laptop is sure to meet your needs. With its powerful processor, ample storage, and dual display, the Zenbook Duo 2024 is a laptop that truly stands out in the crowd. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.